Welcome to Block 7. Today, we will explore Open Valley House, a project designed by RAVSTUDIO. Located near the village of Tapalpa, in the middle of a lush forest in Mexico, this house perfectly harmonizes architectural design with its natural surroundings. Covering an area of 256 square meters, the house is designed to blend into the landscape and serve as a place for gathering while also offering private spaces for its occupants. The house consists of a single large volume placed linearly, following the natural topography and contours of the land. The design is divided into two main areas, the social area and the bedroom area. The house's placement carefully considers the existing trees, ensuring harmony between the structure and the environment. In the social area, we find the kitchen, dining room, and living room, all combined into a large open space. This area maximizes views of the surrounding nature, offering a seamless indoor-outdoor connection. A unique feature of the interior design is the use of wood as an integral element, where furniture like the kitchen cabinets and fireplace also function as spatial connectors. In terms of materiality, the house makes use of local stone, which creates a beautiful contrast with the glass elements. The stone strengthens the house's connection with the landscape, providing solidity to the structure. Inside, the stone is treated as a sculptural texture, framed by steel, wood, and the house's spatial openness, creating a fluid relationship between the interior and exterior. Meanwhile, the bedroom area is positioned at a higher level, following the topography. This not only provides more privacy, but also optimizes the use of windows, allowing each room to control its own views by opening and closing the windows as desired. Running parallel to the house's volume, a long piece of furniture integrates the kitchen, fireplace, and bookshelves, serving as a key element that unifies the different spaces. Wooden panels are used to discreetly hide service areas and bathrooms, maintaining the house's minimalist aesthetic by concealing these access points. The structure of the house is a hybrid system, combining traditional construction methods with prefabricated materials. Steel columns and beams emphasize the linearity of the house's design, while the integration of materials is carefully managed with intermediate treatments. The steel beams and wooden frames balance the visual weight of the connections, giving the house both structural efficiency and warmth. That was a look at Open Valley House, a home that blends with nature, prioritizes privacy and comfort, and showcases the beauty of local materials. We hope this design gives you inspiration for your dream home. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more inspiring content. See you in the next video.